Re-makeup da achiwi kamataya pauping. New to somwak semau thada shokphok lui haira. 12 Manipur Legislative Assembly with Speaker TH Sadya Bradali Kapangsang haira. Tangkhul Welfare Society Mumbai with annual gazip ayapam haira. Lekhyang Thor, Achung Thor, the Tangkhul Express Wipao, RINGPHAWON ZIMIK in a Pamidalay, Pao Ping Maisa in a Nganangramsa. The Frontier Manipur Wipao Atishuda Chalao, Kongpam, Resam Van Li, Silui Katiji Shirt Kahira, Kala Silui Kaika, Masam Pangla Leda Lachia, Itum the Paning Ungpai Achakum, Pi Kachang, Atamlila, Say Kazat rather new to Somi border area Apamli, Silui Teraka Kati Shokhira. New to some village authority with former secretary Akar Horamna, Paning Ungda, Kahang, Maramji, concerned authority na, Yang Sang Mikawai, Achakumla, Po Kahaina. Kermatadang Hanka Kami, Malay to the Hanga. Shikai Kankui Kawai, Yang Sang Ran Pingna, Kayang Sang Milo Kuchihi, new to some Ramnau Pingna, Nakauhaira. Kazaji, Ring and I Kung Pinglila, Manwa Pai Shina the Ninkrik Roktale. 12 Manipur Legislative Assembly with Speaker TH Sadya Bradali Kapangsang haira. Thokjom Sadya Brada Singh hi Yai School Constituency Waina Kapang Kagahaya Emalena. Kala Singh hi Ridala BJP na Kathan Manipur Shorkarwi Minister Lasasaya. Manipur Legislative Assembly with Speaker Thokjom Sadya Brada hi Manipur University Waina Kakui Master's Degree Layer the Hanga. Aya Assembly Speaker Kapangka Kahai Tili Manipur Shorkar Katharwi Session Karela Pamhaira. Tangkhul Welfare Society Mumbai with annual gazip Aya Pamhaira. Gazip Chili Ponda Cultural Ranyela Gazin Chong Rungmi Haira. Gazip Chili Kakazum Tui DBCM with Pastor Reverend Dr. Jewel Aziamana Hangsangmi. Kala Tangkhul Welfare Society Mumbai with Secretarial Report La Somatai Rolengna Pajiteya. Gazip Chili DBCM Home Missionary with Lienmi Kara Kamrang, Songchan Muinau Anila Wazanga, Fun and Cultural Evening La Rungda Lumlau Rani Chili, Tangkhul Artist Ningshang Angang Aina, Lender Anila, Latsak Aina Sharukwimia, Tangkhul Welfare Society Mumbai with Gazip Chiwi Akai Akasada, Jadyur Kateli, Fuvakahai, Mumbai Li Leda Clay, Tangkhul Yorla. Tumraga dali welcome sakwida legacy panglanla ngaran mihaira. 12 Manipur Legislative Assembly Session Kareli 2021 to 22 with supplementary grants color 2022 to 23 with budget estimates chi Housely Chief Minister na table sahaira. Chile Business Advisory Committee 2022 with report la bisang haira. Manipur Information Commission with 2018 to 19 annual report color Manipur Loka Yukta 2020 to 21 with annual report la Aya Housely Misang Ser Haira. Aya with session Chile Manipur Legislative Assembly with former members Mawansa Kahai Mi Pangali Paningkung Atamla Mayon Haira. Mawansa Kahai former members Pangachia 45 Chingai STAC with Azza A Shimre 31 Tobal Assembly Constituency with Leighton Tem Tomba Singh 21 Nauria Pakhang Lakpa ACW, Wahengbam Angau Singh, 36 Wapakai ACW, Mayanbam Manihar Singh Kala, Aimol ICW, Atwibo Damai Atumhina. Assembly with Aman Kasaka member Ping Ogutui Aina Country Kahaiji, State Wivang Kashman Kahaka Ngasaya Kuji Hangda, Atumna Yari Wivang Sami Kahaiji Atam Kujida Paningung Chingra, the Chief Minister and Biren Singh Hanga. Opposition Leader O Ipopi Singh, MLA Kushum Vashum, MLA Usham Devan Singh Kala, Minister Awangbao Numai Atumnala Kakhanang Pongshoka. Indo Naga John Gazek, Twitak Tak Vaisada Kaleli, Naga Naupingna Naga Wipilan Kala, Yezoboli Nganintit Dakalay, Maramli, Nagaland BJP President Minister Temjan Imna Alongna, Makamya Jiteya the Naga Students Federation Minister Chile, Makamya Pongshokhaira. Temjen along Nagaland Legislative Assembly li khamatuili Naga political groups kaikhana athumi tong khawai wiwang tab ngasak dalai kuchiji ana issue ji mathada phap makata chi theya da long china hanga Temjen along na Sender we akhwa pingli rimphang sakpam da khaya ka khwisang kapai solution khwira khwai kasale shairandra ashita khai ping leya kchi along na malai haira da katam naw long china kapishoka India Constitution framework we alongli Naga solution khwira rano da Minister Temjen along na public advocacy gajaji Naga homeland we founding principles li ngajan Khangasak na kala China ga youth aina katam na long na mamya mana da phongshoka Solution khui kharali Naga philan aina yozopo machangmara kachi maramli la hangda minister jina mathada magathai maramli mamutui phaphalu kala Naga naw bingwi ningphunli khaya shirano da federation jina hangmathin haira National Highway 39 ni Southern Angami Public Organization na indefinite ban sada khaleji ngasam sakhawlo da Manipur Sarkar na Nagaland le hangwa haira ban ji katha gwilungle khwishok khwai Nagaland Sarkar na Southern Angami Public Organization wi minganing pingli kharjan salo kuchi hi po haira Thering yat da khalaipam Gejol Sawe aina Manipur Sarkar we armed personnel mukhui thui thuwa la apam chili permanent structures semhawa the Southern Angami Public Organization na ban kasana kachi hi hanga Nagaland with Chief Secretary li Special Secretary Home H Gayan Prakash na kapi khawali kahang permanent structure kala armed personnel kahai Manipur territorial jurisdiction we alongli kahaina Southern Angami Public Organization na kahangji mamushung manada hanga National Highway 39 hiva Manipur wiwang khamataya shongfu ngasahau kada state khanini wi miping chingri aina oktirum ranu kala thari wi maramba kapha aina chan ngajek da chamna khwisa da state wi shokarna Nagaland le hanghaira World Meitei Council Central Executive Committee na ban kasa jile makhamya phongshok haira National Highway 2 ji Manipur wiwang saklak kahai akhana kachi hangda Southern Angami Public Organization na sada khaleji phaptaya kha sarkali kapo sada yarili machok ngsak pai mana kachi hi committee chin hanga ban kathum thang sada yarili chot ngsak haira kala arila indefinite ban savara kachi jiwa mangi mana da committee chin hanga Bensa Shongfu Shatkam Milala Sarkana Maningla Yarina Kuchotna the Southern Angami Public Organization na Benji Kwishok Mihaulo the World Meitei Council na Pohera Kala Manipur aina Nagaland Sarkar na la Maram hi katha gwilungli Jamna Khwihaulo kuchi hi Council jina Pohera Kurai Ahongai we mi Khangambam Ashok Kaho Akhana Shunaw Akali Sathat Hawada Otsak Chile All Manipur Students Union Amsuna Panglak Aina Makhamya Phongshok Haira Amsuna Maramchi Paumi Pingli Chanpor Mikushokli Kahang Stately Crime Against Women Raid Switalala Jigatha Bicham Miram Makhaning Otsak Matailak Aina Shunaw Witungli Magapha Kasahi State We Apam Ngatay Dali Kushok Leya Chida the sada Sarkar kathar hina chui maramle ayen mathada semilo kuchi long jina poya Kashong Karan Tharan Shongran Kapur Atam Chada Sakawai Fast Track Court Kala Law Enforcement Agencies Later Kalaping Mathamai Zatngasaklo kuchi Amsuna Sarkali Pohera Jay Nangasoda License Nawe Mushichin Papa Kawai Home Department Sakaran Samilo Law License Now Mela Mamishok Papalo the Union China Pohera. Mi Yum Gathadli Gazang Kayona Chile, Gatha Wilungli Book Salo Kuchi Hangda, Boda Klahi Mukwisangaka Agitation Ngate the Hapokara the Amsuna Hangmatin Haira. India Sarkar Procurement Border Government E-Marketplace na Tingum Akawe Alungli Order Value Lupa 1 lakh crore Kashung Haira the Prime Minister Narendra Modi na Ringpha Phongshok Haira. Government E-Marketplace Kashu Aina GEM Hina MS ME Spinglila Mathalak aina Kotomi the Prime Minister na hanga. Central Sarkar Ministries aina Department Psychorana Oath Color Services Online Quickawai Portal G 2016 kum Hapo Kamina. Portal G we order value akum hang pangada Shiniva MSME sector we aina Raya the hanga. Northeast India li insurgency ochot Swita Mai Haira Chidale. Development of Northeast Region with Union Minister G. Kishan Reddy na kahang insurgency ochot 2014 kum 824 kushok we aina chadra laga 2020 liver 163 mang kushok take we chia. Ministry of Development of Northeastern Region we ot kasa maramle Reddy na pejitheda Northeast apamli chingri kahai kala Lekhya Khiraki kuchi Shongza Kathar Hapok Haira Chia India li khangache Khirak Vai Kasale Prime Minister we agenda akasada Northeast Pam hi Kamataya akasada Khida Leda Ready na hanga Security Angret Mathamai Khawai Shorkarna Ot Kasa Athishuda Apam Hili Stability Khikara ina Infrastructural Development Kala Connectivity Projects Hiriri Khika Pok Haira kuchi hi hangsanga Northeast apamli insurgency we aina Rijum now kala security forces tikasang machine la swita mai haira da Union Minister Jina hanga. Northeast India we security matha sang haukada international kala domestic business pingna. Northeast apamli sakhui gabai later kalai chili invest sangai da kalaina da ready na hanga. Apam hi we reg sang quickra thak mai khawai da budget la marlak aina matai ka haina chidalai. Northeast pamli central ministries hang phangada matiwi cross budgetary support 110% mataika hairachia 2014 kum cross budgetary support 36,108 crores aina leikasaji financial year 2022 to 23 wiwang 76,040 crores aina leida donor minister Chinahanga Chishada Masangrang Kichi Prime Minister's Development Initiative for Northeast PM Divine We Azingli Lupa 1,500 crores budget sem kahai chinala reikasang hakasang ot mangale mathalak enang chonra da hanga Northeast hi India with growth engine ngasang sakhwai rail connectivity wiwangla marlak ena otsa da leikachi hangda rail connectivity mathamai khawai wiwang 2014 aina 2021 we alungli lupa 39,000 crore kada chichin haira da ready na hanga World Happiness Report li yanglaga India hi maringpha makeup kuching leili changdalai India na 136 spot li changda unhappiest nation akanga sadalai Ajakum India we rank 139 li chatsada ajakum hina khamatha khamai ngasaya South Asian nations we happiness report li yangakha Taliban na mungda khlai Afghanistan himangna India we khunugli changdalai Ngalai shaka hangmati da thuruk ngachaile Afghanistan na khanawali changa rank chi Nepal na 84 Bangladesh na 94 Pakistan na 121 kala Sri Lanka na 127 li changdale World Happiness Report li Finland na rank kareli changri haira ajwi hi changda Finland na phangashi ngoron the happiest nation mingpho samphang haira Report hi United Nations Sustainable Development Solutions Network na phong khamina kala ngalai akhawi GDP social support personal freedom corruption khalai makhalai chang hikatha yanglaga World Happiness Report hi kasemna Finland withili Denmark Iceland Switzerland kala Netherlands hiping hi changdale United States na 16 li changa Britain na 17 kala France na 28 li changdale Nado na ki limit ka mahai mila khutlai aina khanga John Milo the Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky na pohaira aya nado we emergency summit kasale rai hili khutlai mazangla mangasung paitura kachi hi Zelensky na hanga kala Ukraine na ngasung da khala hi Ukraine wiwang mang maningla Europe pai da we security wiwang la janga chida da sada ngalai chila European Union we full member ngasa phulungra da hanga Nado we gazib chili kathana pingna Russia we otsagle panglak ena makhamaya phongshokda rai kasang samhaulo guji hangsang rokhaira Kala ajahon tarik thrada thuruk thang UN International Court of Justice na jizu khami chili hensangda Kathagwe alungli Russia na military operations ngasam haulo nado na hangsanga. Nado na Ukraine li ngachon kapai ngachon wafara kala Russia we lansin li satsa kapai sanctions per wafara da tahaira. Russia na raita da kala aina security crisis lay how da Nado is Secretary General Jens Stoltenberg we otpam atam singum aka kasai sangmi haira. Lakhawak Ukraine we humanitarian crisis maramle Russia na draft solution mi kasangle India kala UN Security Council members tharada khanina mangahan kami thura. Russia we draft je Syria, North Korea kala Belarus na co-sponsor samida Council na kwisang khawai vote chiko darga kasana. Russia aina China na draft chile mayada vote sanga kha India sangda ngalei ka ping na council members ping na vote masangai ka jihau da draft chi pass masathuwa. Lot luida ajiwi khamata ya pau ping. New to somwak semau thada shokphok lui haira. 12 Manipur Legislative Assembly with Speaker TH Sadya Bradali kapang sanghaira. Tangkhul Welfare Society Mumbai we annual gazip ayapam haira. Aju pau henang chang haira pau ngana dak lein tum sai ko rele ringpha kala khama haya ZIMIK show ngsa serano.